Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. Back with another parkrun video, but a keen eye might go, Luke, you have done this parkrun before. First of all, thank you for noticing. Second of all, yes, it was one of my first videos with my magically long selfie stick. And yes, I am back doing it again because it is part of the Southern Athletic Club Parkrun Takeover, where we basically offered to fill all the volunteer roles for parkrun. So we run parkrun for the week to give back to the community. It gives so much to us. So yeah, we're here at Kaipo Forest. Bit chilly. There is a fire over there at the start line, so definitely want to get back over that fire very shortly and do a bit of a warm up as well. But yeah, so we're back here, Kaipo Forest. It's a big loop. It's a beautiful course. If you haven't done it, drive down here, give it a go, because you know it is getting cold this time of year, but that post-run coffee will never taste better. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to get over to the start line, join the rest of the Southern Athletic Club, or the Sharks as we are called, and yeah, I'll see you all over there.
Telling me who I should or shouldn't be, like it's all a part of some big plan. But without love from nothing, without life from dead, I know I'm not perfect. Well, show me who I really am. This is life living like it's the end of the world. Show me everything that I'm living for. I know.
Here's a little bit of behind the scenes. So what it looks like running with this selfie stick at every parkrun. Well, actually, and sometimes we put it up here, sometimes it goes behind me, there, and we go straight ahead. So here's how I get that awesome foot shot. And hang it there. Now, I know what you're thinking. Geez, Luke, that looks like a lot of work. Yeah, my left arm's pretty sore, holding the camera out here. Right arm gets sore. Yeah, but you do it for the views, apparently. I did this so long ago, this parkrun, like it's going to be maybe a year since then. I've recorded 32 other parkruns. No music today. Definitely glad I made that choice, that's for sure.
Something casual, and you got that wonder.
Yeah, just a casual Sunday morning walk. Thanks, mate.
I've been waiting forever.
So we got under a K to go. Feeling good. Definitely no new course record because that stands at like 17:23, and so even at peak fitness, I don't think I'm touching that.
We don't need to take this too far. We're feeling it right where we are. You got me underwater. I can't get enough. must be going. I think you know.
Oh, thank you. That's well done.
All your cards are showing from long ago. Breathe you in, hold it out, come around, and I know I'ma keep you in view.
How far to go?
1K.
Oh,
Just over.
Quick,
Oh,
I've
no,
been
yeah.
waiting forever. There's nobody like you. I'm falling under.
Well, that's it, guys. That is Kaipo Forest takeover with the Southern Athletic Club. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about my first video here compared to this video. I think it should be a lot better. I'm really excited because I think there's a lot of personal growth there as well. I don't actually necessarily like being on camera or never really know what to say. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy all my content. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more parkrun videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video.
How far to go?
1K,
Oh,
just over.
Quick,
Oh,
on it.
no, yeah, I was gonna say, I think it's just over 1K. Don't listen to him.
I was going to say they don't know. They do now.
Yeah.
No, I'm not liking or subscribing.